In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 from USB on your Surface Pro 12. So to do that, we're gonna need our Surface. We're also gonna need a USB flash drive or an SD card reader with at least 16 gigabytes of available storage. So in my case, I'm gonna be using this SD card reader because it has this USB-C input, which we are going to need. If you don't have it, you can also use an adapter from USB-A to USB-C. And we're also gonna need a separate Windows device. In my case, I'm gonna be using the computer I'm using to record this video. And yeah, the first step will be inserting our USB flash drive into the other Windows device to create a recovery media out of our USB flash drive. Okay, so from what I can see, I already have some data on this USB flash drive. If you also have some files and they are important to you, then you have to back them up, most probably on this computer. This would be the most convenient option for you to do, because we're gonna need to format this USB flash drive. And we're gonna do it right now. To do that, we're gonna have to open the Start menu and search for the Recovery Drive option. Once you find this option, just start it. Now uncheck this checkbox. We don't want any additional system files. Back up, click Next. Then select your USB flash drive, click Next, and yeah, as you can see, everything is gonna be formatted. So click Continue once you are ready to. Okay, so format is in the process. In the meantime, we're also gonna need to download the ISO, or rather the recovery file or recovery folder with the Windows 11 that is designed specifically for your tablet or for your PC, whatever. Okay, so open your web browser and search for Surface Recovery Image. You'll find the Surface Recovery Image download webpage on Microsoft Support website. You have to open it. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of this page and sign into your Microsoft account. Click Sign In right here. Then enter your Microsoft account's data, your email address. It can be any Microsoft account, basically. You can even create one right now. Email address, then password. Then once you are signed in, you have to scroll down to the bottom of this page once again. Here you're gonna have to select the Surface product. For us, it will be Surface Pro, and then we're gonna have to enter the serial number. And the serial number, as you can see right here on the image, is located underneath the laptop's stand. Let me actually show you how to find it. So you have to simply unfold this stand of your tablet or laptop, and unfortunately you cannot see it from this distance, but right here beneath Microsoft you will find your device's serial number. So you have to enter it into this field and then click Continue, and then you will get your recovery image beneath. You have to click Download Image right here. Now I'm not gonna click it because I already downloaded. However, it's gonna take a while. In my case it took like 20 minutes. And after that we're gonna have to go to our Downloads folder. Let me change the camera view. Okay, so from what I can see, the recovery drive is ready. That's great. Now, what we're gonna need to do next is go into the Downloads folder, then right-click the file or the folder, the zip folder that you downloaded, and select Open with Windows Explorer. Okay, and now we have to basically copy all of these files. So just press Ctrl-A to select all of them, copy, then go to your recovery. Right, this is it. Let me check it. Yeah, you have to go to your recovery created folder and just basically paste all of these files in here. It's also gonna take a while, and in the process you'll be asked to replace the data inside your folder. You have to agree to it to create your recovery drive properly. But for now, let's wait, oh no, for all this time until this process is finished. Okay, so now when the recovery drive is ready, it should be looking something like this. So now we have to safely eject our USB flash drive, and let's switch to our tablet or PC or whatever, and let's grab our USB flash drive, and we have to insert it into USB-C port. You can use any on the left edge device. And now what we have to do is, well, first of all, shut down the tablet entirely, then hold down the volume down button, and while holding it down you have to short press the power button just to turn it on, and keep holding the volume down button all the way until you see this loading circle on your screen. It should appear right beneath the Windows logo. Let's take a look right here. I really hope that I'm gonna, okay, yeah, so here we have it. And so once you see the circle, this means that your device is booting into the recovery mode with our recovery media inserted. Now what we have to do next is first select the language on the screen. So let's select language, then select your keyboard layout, then select recover from drive. And also let's make sure that our device is connected to the power source. So I'm gonna quickly insert the cable into the PC. Okay, no, I'm gonna do it later, but for now we're gonna have to either just remove the files or clean the drive completely. So select the factory reset that you prefer. I'm gonna go with just remove my files. This is gonna be much quicker than fully formatting your drive. Then select recover, and now we are basically installing Windows from the USB flash drive and the recovery image that we uploaded there. It's gonna take a while, so let's make sure that our device is being powered all the time so it doesn't get discharged in the process. Let's simply wait until this process is finished. Okay, and once you see the language or the region selection screen, that means that the Windows installation is finished, and now we have to go through the setup process. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.